Let me say something that may sound crazy. Right now, the biggest opportunity to make money online isn't YouTube or TikTok, and let me get this straight, it's not even Instagram. It's a platform most people overlook daily, and it's called Threads. Yeah, Threads. Yes, the text-based app, everybody thought it was just another Twitter clone. But let me get this straight. While everybody else is fighting for attention on saturated platforms, Thread quietly grew over 400 million users, and they are rocking. And the crazy part, the reach is great and the competition is still low. Which means that right now, the normal person who is just starting on Threads will get a lot of views on their content, and this is the opportunity they need to grab. That's why I built a tool for it, but let me get to it later. When Threads launched in 2023, everybody rushed to try it because it was highly promoted by Instagram. As you may know, Meta has Instagram, and part of the Instagram is Threads. Then people left. They said, Threads is dead, Threads is boring, Threads has no monetization. Let me get this straight, it still don't have monetization like you are used to, like TikTok monetization or YouTube or Instagram monetization. But here is what I noticed. While people were leaving, a small portion of creators stayed, and they started getting insane reach because they were early and there was no oversaturated amount of people there. Smaller creators got 30 to 50% higher reach than, for example, on Instagram, where they came from. And posting on Threads is so low effort, it's just text. It's not video, you don't have to dance, you don't have to dress up, you don't have to do anything. You just type the text. You can do the carousels and everything like on Instagram, but the main thing is text. That's when I realized something. Threads is not a monetization platform, it's a traffic platform. This is actually a very good thing, because when platforms pay creators directly or through ads, you depend on the algorithm. But when a platform gives you traffic, you control the narrative and the money. Here's the mistake most people make. They think Threads doesn't pay creators, it's useless to post there. There is no built-in revenue sharing system from ads or anything yet. But smart creators use Threads differently. They drive traffic to things that brings money. For example, digital products, affiliate products, shops, courses, software as a service tools, communities, and making money indirectly from the traffic they get from Threads. Actually, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to monetize on Threads today. And I've seen creators post their few posts and get sales, because text content spreads incredibly fast. But here is the problem. Most people quit Threads after 2 weeks. They burn out. They produce a lot of content and nothing happens. Not because Threads doesn't work, but because they run out of ideas and they don't engage on other people's content. You see, Threads is an engagement-first platform. You have to comment a lot, and then by commenting a lot, you will get more traffic to your post. This is my own problem, because I didn't have time to post or to comment. Writing good posts and good content consistently was hard for me, and also engaging on other people's content was hard for me. Because you need good ideas, good hooks, good styles, analyze everything, and engage a lot. For like 80% of the time you spend on Threads, you need to engage in other people's content. Doing this manually for me was very exhausting, so I quit. I got to the burnout phase there and just didn't use it. But I noticed that few posts that I did post make a decent amount of traffic to the links that I had in bio, or in Threads you can use links directly in the post. But I asked myself, what if I build a tool that will help me with this? So I built MomentumHive. When you can through the Google or Facebook, and when you log in, you connect your Threads account, and then the app will actually sync all your existing posts and create your AI profile. This is the first step. If you don't have posts or you have fewer posts, you will go through a little wizard, like 4-step wizard, which is also AI helped. So AI can help you fill the blanks there. And this is like one thing that an app is so proud of is this dashboard. There's like a gamification, you get leaderboards and stuff like that. But the main the main feature around this app is actually a calendar. So if you look at my calendar for my Zvonko Biskup account, you can see all your posts. You can use this, you can see these yellowish posts are like big performing ones. You got the analytics for the posts and AI score, and you can directly repurpose this post. What is very interesting when you go to repurpose, there are few very powerful features here. You can add a call to action here, which you can enter in your AI profile, generate a contextual call to action, which will read your post and create a contextual, like a relatable call to action. You can, of course, edit everything. Nothing is auto-posted. Save this, and then you can use this powerful feature, which is momentum drop. What's happening on Threads if you add a link into your first or second or third reply, then the reach is lower. So what this does is wait when you have, as you can see, 10, for example, 10 total engagements, likes, replies, quotes, whatever, and then it will post this contextual linked call to action, avoiding the algorithm lowering your reach. So it's very clever. Of course, you can repost this after a number of days. And then when you schedule this, you go to the calendar and you can see all your scheduled posts here. Okay, one of the biggest features is this AI content writer. The content writer is actually pulling your ideas. As you can see, this is from my already existing posts. It analyzes that periodically, and then you can use this prompt or expand it to get a bigger prompt, and you can write in your own voice, which also gets generated in the beginning. This is just to show you how the whole thing works. So I can expand this unit 102 fans, not 10K followers for revenue. It will expand this to a prompt. And when I hit generate content, it will try to write one candidate for you, which you can then see the scoring on it, use that one, or simply click on regenerate, or you have some buttons here to sharpen the hook. You can see the scoring is here. So slop risk is trying to see how sloppy this article is. And when you're ready, you can use this in a normal Threads composer, which you can edit. You can add better rhythm here, like this. This is like something that Threads likes the most, and also publish and schedule. One of the powerful things that you can also do is reply directly to comments on your posts. So it will now pull all the things that people commented about, like this, and then you can also use the voice and suggest the replies. For example, I can suggest a reply, like you can see it's all writing like I would, and I just hit reply. Every reply will probably end with a question, so it sparks conversation, and you can see all about that. Analytics is again a powerful part. You can see how, like, some general data here. You can see best time to post. I will show you also later how this is used in a scheduler. You can see some metrics. You can compare metrics and see some demographics here. And you can see all your posts You can order those posts by views or by score and then generate using this post as a template or repurpose it like we saw before. I told you I will show you how the scheduler is working on best time to post. So if I go into this scheduled post, hit reschedule. You have slots here, so you can like predefine the time slots, or you can schedule at best time. It will get best time for today, which will be explained here. So this is how powerful this is. And I want to show something that is still not out, but it's going to be for my paid users. As you can see here, I have a browser extension. This is Firefox, but you will have Chrome as well, which actually add these buttons. So I can directly get free smart replies using my own voice, which I can use here to upper my engagement rates and get more likes and followers and reach. If all these clicks the right button, you can try the app for free in the description below.